This is our smoke detector with 2-YA Wi-Fi. Can connect with phone by Wi-Fi. Send note to phone when alarm. With small size, lightweight, and top-ranking materials. Connect phone with Wi-Fi. Open the app Smart Life. Click Add Device. Press the device button for 5 to 7 seconds to add it. Enter Wi-Fi password and follow the instructions. Put detector in smoke tunnel. When the smoke concentration reaches a certain level, the detector alarm and send note to your phone. Replace the battery and install by screw or 3M.